Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today in this section we are going to discuss about how to create a storage location and how to assign company code to a company, plan to a company code and creation of purchase organization. Now we can go in our practical section. First we are going to the pathway or you can use the T code SPRO. We use the T code SPRO and then click enter and now going to SAP reference IMG. First, we are going to create a create or maintenance of storage location. So first create enterprise structure definition. Under the definition, you may see material management. The company code and company are created under financial accounting. The plan are created under logistics general. The maintenance of storage location and creation of purchase organization is under material management. So we are going to click material management. Under the material management, you can see the maintenance of storage location. Click here, maintain storage location. Here asking plant. Our plant is OT10. Click plant. We have to maintain a storage location. So there is an empty. So we give new entries. I am giving this as OT S1. Auto plant 1 store 1. Auto plant 1 store 1. I am giving description of the storage location is auto plant 1 store 1. The storage location is OT S1. The 4 characters are allowed for the name of the storage location. So here you can save with this icon. Click save icon and create new icon, new prompt request. Here we can give as auto storage location assignment and then save. We have created storage location, but if in case the storage location is outside the plant, we have to maintain the address of the storage location. So I am explaining how to maintain storage location. First click on the storage location and going to the left side top of the table, you can see address of the storage location. You can click on address of the storage location and give new entries. We have to maintain the address. I am giving 01 as a number, then click enter. Here you can give company given the details related to what you have to given. Here we are given the details and then now we are going to save. Here you can see the data was saved. So in this video we are knowing about how to maintain a storage location, and our second task is going to maintain a purchase organization. So we are come to back. Under the material management, you can see maintenance of storage location and maintenance of purchase organization. Here we are going to maintain purchase organization. So click maintain purchase organization. You can create with new entries. If you already created a purchase organization, you can see with this position button. You can click on position button. Your purchase organization, if you know, you can give here. If you previously have purchase organization, you can click and you can see here. We are going to create a new purchase organization. So I am given here as new entries. Our purchase organization is O for auto. I am given here T also. Auto, OT for auto, P for purchase, O for purchase organization, OTPO. Here I am giving O. Here I am maintaining purchase organization is OTPO and purchase organization description is auto purchase organization. Here click on save icon, click save icon, and we can maintain with the auto storage location assignment. It is also our company, but we are going to create new one. Here we are created purchase organization for our company goods. So now we are creating all the company code, company, plant, storage location, and purchase organization. In the upcoming video, we are going to see how to assign plant to a company code and company code to a company and purchase organization to a plant. We will discuss about it later. Please stay tuned guys for the upcoming videos. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for your support guys.